All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is called the Armor Box for your iPhone 14 Plus. And this is something that iBlason has introduced, kind of like their cousin company. This is the subcase version. It just has MagSafe. I've been using this one on the 14 Plus. But this one right here is such a limited case, and I want to bring it to you real time here. I've had this for quite some time, but I didn't have my Plus in. And I recently got my Plus, and so I wanted to share. So I do have a tempered glass on the Plus, but I'm going to go ahead and put the front on as well. The Plus has been great, folks, by the way. Let's go ahead and put this on. So this does work with my tempered glass with no problems, looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put the back on. This is such a beautiful case, man. These are so limited because they're the clear versions or whatever. These are hard to get, I hear. So if you can get one, definitely hold on to it. Let's get this top portion off. All right, so case is all installed here. This is it's a little dust under there, but this is such a beautiful case right here, man. I mean, having owned a lot of cases, and again, this is pretty much, in my opinion, a clear version of the subcase version, Unicorn Beetle Pro. It just doesn't have MagSafe, but this one has a kickstand too, plus the MagSafe. But this one has a kickstand right here like this, and this is very nice, man. This is a great addition to the case. This is an ultra rugged style drop style case, and it's military grade, lots of grip. I mean, it is definitely going to protect your device. You shouldn't have any problems with this at all. So looking at the ports and everything on here, you definitely have the vibrate and mute switch cover right there. And then you got your volume rocker, you got your power button, you got nothing on the top, but you have more grip and tons of bumper. The corners are extremely protected. And then same thing on the bottom here, you've got lots of corner protection. And then you've got your port covered here, and then the microphone speaker cutouts are open. Then on the back, you get the clear see-through that everybody likes. The see-through cases are very popular because a person might want to show off their device. Now, I do have other clear cases from Subcase and all these other different companies, Rinky, where they get to show off the device, but they're not as heavy duty as this. And this is for that person that if you think you're accident prone, this isn't really a bulky case. It's going to make it a little bit wider, but it still works perfectly fine, man. So let's test wireless charging. Got my wireless charger here. I love this wireless charger. Let's put it in here. Wireless charging works. I'll have another video on battery life too. You're going to be amazed at the battery life that this thing kicks down. Yes, it is definitely better than the 14 Pro Max and the 13 Pro Max. For those that might be asking, I've gotten some questions on that. But you do get a belt clip. And this, again, reminiscent of the subcase, the cousin company, I probably would say. It is a nice rugged style case, and it's going to definitely last. Some people might ask, will this case turn yellow? Well, I've actually been using one of these on the the S22 Ultra for quite some time. It is blue, and it has not changed colors. This is kind of like a clear gray, if you will. It looks like it's already turning, but it's really not. It's just a clear gray looking color. And so it's hard to fathom that this is, the color of the case, and this is the way it's not going to change colors. But it definitely is a major win for those who are looking for the ultimate protection for their device, man. You cannot go wrong with iBlason or Subcase. This case is great, man. It doesn't have MagSafe, like I said, like the Unicorn Beetle Pro style of this, but it does have the kickstand built in. It does accept wireless charging, and you can see your device, which makes it even all the better. Beautiful case. I know you guys will like this one. I'll have a link to it down below in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.